Today's power word for your resume is genuine.
A related word is sincere.
What does it mean? How does it appear on your resume? How do you use it to make your resume powerful? Let's look at these and more.
Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop, with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of resume vocabulary videos, we're going to look at power words that will make your resume stand out in the crowd. Remember, all power words are action words. They increase your chance of moving on to the next level in the hiring process. We are going to look at 4 things here: meaning, what the word really says and what you wish to say, how to make these power words work for you, how to use them practically. Be careful though, do not flood your resume with these power words. They will go wrong. Support your claims with your achievements.
Genuine means the person is free of deceit and falseness. Such a person is earnest and sincere in their attitude towards work or otherwise. And such work has been appreciated by people who matter. The feedback from customers, both internal and external, has been excellent. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the red subscribe button below. Don't forget the bell icon. Remember, when you're drafting your resume, you wish to look like somebody the interviewer would want to hire. You want to look professional, invaluable, dependable, and capable. At the same time, you do not want to hide your weaknesses to misguide the recruiter. Now let's see what this word really says. But genuine and sincere are mere describing words. They tell about you and not about what you did and how the company benefited from your actions. So you need to back up your claim with your achievements. See, what you wish to say is you are sincerely interested in your customers and they, in turn, have expressed their appreciation as well. Also, you are and appear to be sincere. But how do you state all these things in your resume? By using action words. What are some of the action words you can use with genuine or sincere? Worked, formed, created, led, etc. And then you write about the feedback you received from the others, but be careful not to divulge any classified information. Let's look at how this could appear on your resume. Received a consistent score of 4.5 out of 5 from all the customers over my 2 years as supervisor of the sales team. Also, received the Best Performers Award in both the years for crossing even the revised targets. And now let's see how it's objective. Note the use of figures 4.5 out of 5 and 2 years make the statement objective. And what's the specific information I'm giving? I was a supervisor of the sales team. And what's the nature of benefit? I crossed even the revised sales targets. I could give the rupee value also, but I haven't given it here.
Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.